So guys, welcome back to the video, and I'm right now at In Orbit, just eating McDonald's, and see which thing I have. It's a surprise. See guys, let's go. And I have something inside this. It's a card. Yeah, I'll open it and so yeah guys, I'll open it and I'll see what's inside. Till then I'll just eat and then I'll be going to the time zone. You can see right behind me. I'll play and then yeah, I'm seeing that I am going to almost reach. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so I'll play and yeah, I'm going to hit 2000 views. So guys, please help, and I've reached 40 subs and my next target is 100 subs. So guys, just help me reach that. Till then, see you guys. Peace.